Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome to my first vlog style video. Today's video I'm going to be fitting a Sparco steering wheel to a MK3 Clio RS200. So I'll show you what we've got here. Got the Sparco steering wheel just with a TRS protective cover on it. We've got the boss for the car, and also because my car has cruise control I have the Volantech 6-button mount. 2 yellow ones are for the horn, 4 black ones are the buttons for the cruise control. Now the airbags on the MK3 Clios are a pain to get off. You have to use a flat bladed screwdriver to push up inside the steering wheel to release a clip on the back of the airbag, and then at the same time pull the airbag forward. Once I've got that off the car I'll show you better on how that works. I'll also need a 3mm Allen key for the bolts that hold the steering wheel to the boss, and some Torx bits, or just one Torx bit, sorry, that holds the existing steering wheel to the column. I'm not sure what size it is, but I have various sizes there that'll work. So let's get to the car. Right, so we're in the Clio now. Try and show you the hole where you need to push the screwdriver through. The hole just there, we have to push the screwdriver up. Like I say, once the steering wheel is off the car I'll try and show you that better. So let's jump into removing the steering wheel. This has been an absolute pain. Been at it about quarter of an hour now, it's not even come off. If you listen, that car's gone, you can hear the clip that I'm pushing up, but for whatever reason it just won't release and the screwdriver keeps slipping off, so try again. I've done it, finally. Don't bother with a flat bladed screwdriver, find yourself a quarter drive. First attempt with a quarter drive and I got it. I'll show you now. So you want to push the clip up with the quarter drive and pull from the bottom, and that's it, the airbag is out. So now I'll just disconnect all the plugs and show you behind it. Right, so airbag's finally off. As you can see from the marks on the back, it's where the screwdriver kept slipping off and going up the back. I'll show you the hole. So your quarter drive fits perfectly in that hole, slides straight up there. The clip for the airbag is behind this, so you need to push it up. It only needs to be pushed up a slight amount, maybe like 5mm or so, just enough to release off the back of that hook. I'll put the screwdriver in now so you can see the difference between the quarter drive and that. See how there's too much movement for the screwdriver, but the quarter drive is perfect. I don't even know what made me do that, but did it and it worked first time. With the screwdriver you'll be there all day. So this grey plug up here is for the horn. These two for the airbag, that's airbag earth. So I'm guessing these airbag wires can be detached from the squib. There, looks like. So I'm now going to take the steering wheel off and see what's behind there. I've just pulled the bolt out for the steering wheel. It's a Torx 50, but as I was pulling it out I didn't see the wires for the cruise control are actually tucked away down the side, so I'm going to have to unplug that. Don't think I can do it with one hand. Nope, can't do it with one hand, one sec. Right, so that is unplugged. Here's all the wiring from the squib. So this one over here is all airbag, blue, green and that small black. The grey and the black on the left hand side is horn and cruise control. Now I don't actually think they disconnect from here and I don't want to break that squib, so for now I'm going to leave it. But if anyone in the comments knows a way of disconnecting, or if it does, just please let me know, because otherwise I'm just going to be rattling around inside my new steering wheel Boss. So now let's get the Boss put on. Right, so the Boss is on. If you look up there where my finger is, there's a hole in the side of the Boss to pull all the plugs through. So they're all in there at a minute. I'm just going to try and keep these airbag ones out of the way. Bring the horn one, well, that's as far as the horn one goes, and that's the cruise control. So that's all we need. So now I'm guessing it's time to wire up the Volantech button mount, wherever I put that. It's here. Oh, ignore the head unit, by the way. For some reason my standard head unit down there has decided to lock itself and doesn't give the option to put the code in, so that is out of my 106 Rally, just temporary in there for now. So yeah, here's the Volantech button mount. On the back, 2 sets of wires. These ones with the little tabs, or the little terminals, sorry, they're for the cruise control. Now the cruise control only works one way, so you have to figure out which terminal each wire goes to inside of this plug. The horn wire, I've been told by the guy who makes the button mount, is just pull them ends off that are already cut, twist them and just push them into the hole. That's what he says to do, so that's what I'm going to do. So let's get on with that. So now the button mount's all wired up. Forgot, you need to push the wires for the button mount just down the side of the rubber cover on the steering wheel Boss. You can see they're all in there. Now, don't know if them wires are the right way around, so I'm just going to reconnect the battery, turn the ignition on and check it all works. Right, so the car's battery is reconnected, so just turn the ignition on and check it works. So, oh, turn the fans down. 27 degrees! I don't need it set to that today. It's like middle of summer. Turn that right down. So, see if this works. So, that's 1 horn, 2 horn. Now, just turn cruise control on. It might not work because the car's not running. 1 second. I think we're going to start then. Speed limiter. So, I wonder if, I think you've actually got to be moving in the car to be able to set this. Right, can't check the cruise control button because I think I need to be driving, but I'll do that later. So now, let's get this button mount attached there and put the steering wheel on. There you go, the steering wheel is on. Just take this cover off so you can have a look at it. Sparco steering wheel, carbon fibre Volantech button mount. Now, fitting this steering wheel, because you've removed the airbag, will bring your airbag light on. But if you just take it to a garage that has the Renault Clip diagnostics equipment, they can sort that out for you. So yep, that is the fitting of the steering wheel to the MK3 Clio. Will work for the 197, 200 and probably the base models as well. So I'm pretty much done. All I need to do is drive and check that the cruise control buttons work, but I won't record that. It's easy enough to sort out. If they're not working, just take the wheel off, swap the 2 wires around and should be fine. So yep, thanks for watching. I'm sure there'll be plenty more videos in the future on my Clio and also my other car, the 106 Rally. I've got a few things I want to do to the Clio still, like I've got a splitter to fit, harnesses, potentially getting a cage at some point, and also a lot later down the line there will be an engine conversion with the Megane 225/230 engine, so that's turbo. That'll be fun to do. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you liked what you saw, give us a subscribe and see you next time.